Thanks for your interest in the Abra kickoff training about accessibility of apps. My name is Paul van Workum and I'm working in the field of app accessibility. Let's get to work. What are going to be your first steps? We will discuss testing and fixing your app. Let's start with testing. First, check with the screen reader. You learned the gestures on the screen reader app. So let's test everything as a label and if everything works when using the screen reader. Secondly, calculate contrast of elements and text with a contrast checker like WebAIM. Contrast of normal text should be 4.5 to 1 and elements and bold or large fonts should be 3 to 1 contrast ratio. Also, set a larger font size on the device and test if all functionality and letters are still visible. Finally, we advise you to start testing with users that are dependent on different assistive technologies. This will give you a lot of insights and motivation. The results of this test will give you already a good indication of the accessibility status. It does not matter if you work at procurement and check the supplier, or that you're working as a developer testing your own work. It's important to see it for yourself. Secondly, start fixing your app. The first step aren't that hard at all. In general, you should start with adding labels, values, and make sure the keyboard interface works. This already prevents a lot of critical errors. After that, we focus on the things impacting a lot of users, like contrast, bigger font size in combination with landscape mode, and error messages and status messages. With these improvements, you already fixed 2 out of 3 issues. We discussed impairments, assistive technologies, legislation, and the complete guideline. This information can be used to start testing and improving your app quickly. This was the kickoff training Accessibility of Abra. For more information about accessibility, testing, or improving your app, please visit abra.nl. For more trainings, visit training.abra.nl.